Now that you've mastered your espresso shot, let's take it to the next level, creating cafe-style milk drinks at home. The 5418 Pro features an enhanced stainless steel steam wand paired with an upgraded internal heating system, delivering stronger and more consistent steam pressure. This allows you to froth milk quickly and evenly, producing silky, creamy microfoam, ideal for cappuccinos, lattes, flat whites, or even your first try at latte art. You'll feel the power the moment the steam hits the milk. But don't worry, it's easier than it looks. I'll guide you step by step from prepping the steam system to achieving that perfect texture. Ready? First, let's start by prepping the steam system for use. Thanks to its upgraded flash heat system, 5418 Pro allows you to switch seamlessly between brewing and steaming in just 3 seconds. No downtime, no pressure release required. Before frothing, it's important to purge the steam wand to release any residual water inside. Place an empty cup under the steam wand. Press the steam button and turn the steam knob to steam position for 2 to 3 seconds. Once you see a steady stream of steam, turn it off. This ensures you don't dilute your milk with leftover moisture. Here's a tip. Always purge before and after steaming. Keeps the wand clean and prevents clogging. Pour cold milk into a stainless steel frothing pitcher, about 1/3 to 1/2 full. Whole milk gives the richest texture, while oat or almond milk can work too, though they may require more practice to froth properly. Recommended pitcher size, 350 to 600 milliliters. Milk should be straight from the fridge. Cold milk gives you more time to texture before overheating. Insert the steam wand into the milk just below the surface, near the side of the pitcher, and tilt the pitcher slightly. Then turn the steam knob to start. For the first few seconds, keep the tip near the surface. You should hear a gentle chirping or ch-ch sound as air is being incorporated. Once you have introduced enough air, usually in 5 to 8 seconds, raise the pitcher slightly to submerge the steam wand deeper and begin swirling the milk to create a vortex. This blends the foam into a smooth microfilm. Continue steaming until the pitcher feels too warm to touch, around 55 to 65 degrees Celsius. Here's a tip. Avoid loud screeching. It means your wand is too close to the surface. Gentle sounds equals silky foam. Turn the steam knob to stop the steam. Immediately wipe the steam wand with a damp cloth. Then do a quick purge to clear milk residue. Gently swirl your milk pitcher to remove any large bubbles and integrate the foam into a shiny, paint-like texture. This is your microfoam, perfect for pouring into espresso. For a latte, pour the milk gently while holding the foam back and let the foam flow in at the end. For a cappuccino, aim for a more even mix of milk and foam from the start. And if you're feeling creative, try your hand at simple latte art, a heart, a tulip, or a simple dot to start. The secret is in the texture. Good foam pours like wet paint.